exercise. This is a point and a flat exercise that I love to implement in my routine to help strengthen my eccentric control. So that means going down nice and controlled and lifting to lower. This is going to help you with your jump landings and your pirouette roll downs, as well as your point work and foot strengthening. So let's begin. You can do this in flat as well. On the one, you're going to press up right away as quickly as you can, and then you're going to lift to lower in 3 counts. So you're going up on 1, lowering down for 3 counts. You do that 8 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. Press up 1, lift to lower, controlled. Press up 1, lift to lower again. Press up 1, lift to lower. Press up 1, lift to lower. Belly button to spine, lift to lower, controlling your turnout as well as you lower. 2 more times. Lift to lower, so you're popping up nice and quick. Lift to lower. You can repeat this with the demi-plie as well when you land to control that plie on the way down. So you go press up 1, lift to lower, plie. Press up 1, lift to lower, plie. You can do the same thing on one foot. Press up 1, lift to lower, to really work on lowering down on one foot. You can also repeat this in second position, so go ahead and give this one a go.